Hi everybody, this is Shweta.
मेरा नाम है इंद्र और आप सबका स्वागत है हमारे
चैनल में।
तो अभी हम एक वीडियो करने वाले हैं व्हाट्स इट्स लाइक बीइंग अ फीमेल फॉरेनर ट्रैवलर है बेसिकली ट्रैवलर है जिसने पाकिस्तान ट्रैवल किया आई थिंक सो पेशावर का वीडियो है ये तो आइए देखते हैं मस्त खड़े खड़े चला रहा है
पेशावर पेशावर
I guess this is it. We're about to get on a night bus from Chitral to Peshawar, a journey of about 10 hours. Peshawar is a city near to the border with Afghanistan and is one of the oldest cities in South Asia, with a history dating back more than 2 millennia.
I hope there's not going to be an issue with the NOC, so we have to stay where we're going to and not get sent away on bus to Islamabad.
Okay, hold on. For the ones that don't know, an NOC or No Objection Certificate is essentially a permit issued by the government for when individuals want to visit specific areas that might be restricted due to security concerns. They're typically implemented in regions near border areas or military zones. Yeah, we read in this group chat that some people saying that they needed an NOC to be able to go to Peshawar, and apparently also we can only stay in certain hotels as foreigners. Like they don't accept foreigners in every hotel.
Oh.
So yeah, I guess.
Hopefully that's not true.
Hopefully that's not true. This is surprisingly comfortable. I think this is one of the most fancy buses or ways of transport, really.
For a long time.
For a long time. Just hopefully sleep through the night.
Well, that might be wishful.
So it's 1 o'clock at night. We're at some bus stop.
Halt लिया रहेगा ना
Haven't really slept a minute, but yeah, we're making progress. Just a few more hours to go, and we're in Peshawar. So we're on the middle of a highway.
कितना ट्रैवल करना पड़ रहा है
Because apparently that bus wasn't going to Peshawar, it was going to Islamabad.
ये बस चेंज हुआ बीच में
Bus. And it's before. There's many people going to Peshawar, apparently. Also, it's like 4
नाइट ट्रैवल है यहाँ मेरे ख्याल से
night.
अभी तो काफी लोकेशंस पे से आराम से
कितना डिस्टेंस होता है गाइस कमेंट करना इस्लामाबाद टू पेशावर
इस्लामाबाद हुई
उधर से तो आई ना
दूसरी बस इस्लामाबाद जा रही है
अच्छा
इस चीज से कुछ नाम था उधर से चूड़ी समथिंग जगह
ओके मेरे को लगा वो उधर से आई है क्योंकि वो एनओसी वाला सीन था ना
दूसरी बस इस्लामाबाद
Okay, but we're in
I
Peshawar.
might be wrong sorry
मॉर्निंग वाली
So we just arrived. At this point, we were just hoping that the recommended hotel, supposedly one of the only ones accepting foreigners, wouldn't turn us away. Luckily, everything seems to be going alright.
ओके डिसेंट
Not bad. A real bed.
अभी सो जाएंगे थोड़ा रेस्ट चाहिए
Woke up not too long ago. I'm good for sleeping. After that, bus ride, and now it's time to head out. Right to say that. First impression, lots of stairs.
lots of stairs
It's not as chaotic as Lahore, I would say. We're just 2 days in, so. The first mission of the day was to find food. So we headed out in search of
सबसे
a nice
इम्पोर्टेंट
restaurant.
हम लोग भी कहीं ट्रैवल करते हो सबसे पहले खाना
Good, how are you?
फ्रेंड ऐसा पहले
Attracting quite a bit of attention here. But everybody seems to be very happy and
फ्रेंडली
This
Wow,
looks like a
very
big
nice.
space.
Oh, very good, yaar.
मजा आया बैठ के
This
खाने में
looks like me. Okay, so that didn't work out.
Okay.
Only meat, which is a very frequent problem here. And since I'm vegetarian,
ओके तेरे से ये को आइडिया मिलेगा था
सही है।
अभी कर
that
गए
has
तो
been the easiest finding food here. I was hoping it would be easier in Peshawar, more options, but it seems to be a very meat focused place.
लोकल रेस्टोरेंट ट्राई करना सही से।
The run and hope pay for life that we don't get.
और सब लोग देख रहे हैं।
They just see us basically like walking the same street for 5 times. Like, what are those idiots doing? This seems to be a little bit of a failing mission. We really can't find any restaurant here basically that has vegetarian food, so we're going back to the hotel and I guess they have a restaurant here. Thank you. We'll just have some. What is this position?
चल नीचे बैठ के
You have
खाना
to sit like a true Pakistani. Come on. Well, bellies are filled, and it's time to get out again.
खाया क्या लेकिन
हाँ वो दिखाया ना।
वो तो ऑमलेट था
Rowdy.
क्या पता।
So, to-do list: get a SIM card and survive.
Survive.
That's it. Since different areas in Pakistan have different SIM card providers,
Oh,
ours
ये
didn't
problem
work
है।
anymore as soon as we left Gilgit-Baltistan. Apparently though, as foreigners, you can only get new ones in the big cities. So now that we were finally in Peshawar, we went on a mission for connectivity. But as travel stories go, this mission had its twists. Well, the weather is a bit
बारिश आएगा क्या? हाँ।
We're on a mission. We're on a mission. So,
वो देखना कैसा हो गया।
वही तो
आया।
आ गई बारिश आ के गई थोड़ी थोड़ी अभी
exactly the Peshawar I had in mind. There it is. But when we finally got there, it turned out we could only get SIM cards at a certain location in Peshawar. So, I guess we have to go to the main office.
Oh God.
ये चैलेंजिंग है यार
हाँ।
Finally get a SIM card. And the only thing is, that office is like
20 minutes.
20-minute right away, so we have to get a tuk-tuk somehow. As we struggled getting a tuk-tuk, the local shopkeepers came out to help us. It showed us that even in the pouring rain, the kindness
चलो
of the
अच्छा है।
Pakistani people prevails.
नाइस नाइस ये अच्छा किया
A little bit of traffic here. But the plot thickened, and when we got there, the main office was nowhere in sight. So I guess it's not good.
Not here. They have changed their office.
Changed location, and now it's like, you told us it was like 1K down the road.
Yeah.
Luckily, we again made a new friend, who, besides trying to get us to take his freshly bought brownies, insisted on walking us to the main office himself.
नाइस
चलो
नाइस
अच्छा।
It's upbringing. Ah, there it is. This is the moment that we're gonna get our SIM cards. Maybe we're gonna need to go to a 4th and a 5th and a 6th office. Or it's
इतना चैलेंजिंग है भाई सिम कार्ड के लिए।
it looks kind of close.
Oh God.
Too easy.
There is a
Holiday.
शिट
It happens. We try tomorrow again.
yeah. This doesn't surprise me. Even the simple things here always prove to be some sort of a challenge. Like something as simple as getting a SIM card is never really that simple. So the guy told us there is apparently like a metro or something that we can take back to the place. We were like, why not try it, you know? On the tuk-tuk, we've got hitchhiking, we've got minivans and buses and everything except metro. So naturally we're
मेट्रो देखनी नहीं है नाइस क्या मतलब छोड़ के गया वेरी गुड
And while we were waiting for
अच्छा
the
उसे
metro
पे
bus,
करने
we
नहीं दिया
finally caved.
मेट्रो बस है मेट्रो ट्रेन होगा बस है
That's okay, thank you.
नाइस नाइस
प्लीज प्लीज मुझे भी खानी है
Oh yeah. The metro had a women-only section, so I had to go in separate from Oscar and her
Oh,
friend.
okay.
And yeah, it was a bit crowded to say the least. Thank you so much for your help.
वाओ छोड़ने आया
छोड़ने
very
आया,
nice appreciate cheers
No SIM card.
4 hour
New
later.
experiences.
पर अच्छा लगा मेरे को बंदा
After finally getting our SIM cards the next morning, getting a SIM card, and making a quick stop at the bakery with the delicious brownies,
चलो
I
पसंद
decided
आ
to
गया
go on
अंदर
a little solo mission today. So, I'm in the hotel right now. I'm about to head out. I decided that I wanted to do a little solo adventure here, just to see what it's like to travel here as a solo field
Okay.
traveler. I started out traveling by myself. I've been traveling by
Nice.
myself for over a year at this point. Right now I'm traveling with Oscar, but I'm still very curious what it's like to experience the city by myself and to see if it's any different than
अच्छा,
the experiences I had
देखना है।
in Hamza and Lahore. And obviously, it's again a very distinct part of Pakistan, so I'm kind of curious what it's like to be a female here, like be a solo female traveler here.
This is good
So,
idea
yeah,
actually.
the goal of today is to experience that and to see what it's like. So, yeah, let's do it. It's gonna be fun. Lots of other stuff. I have to say, I don't feel unsafe
नाइस
at all, but I'm also not the most comfortable right now.
सब लोग यही आते हैं
हाँ।
It's just because of all the attention.
How are you?
हो जाता है ना थोड़ा
It's a little bit
ज़्यादा attention.
overwhelming, to be honest. So I'm in a tuk-tuk factory right now. I want to film the true experience. It just got a little bit too much, to be honest. Again, it's not for people. Everybody is super friendly.
Yeah.
It's just me that can really handle all the stairs and the looks and
वो थोड़ा uncomfortable आ ही जाता है
I
कभी
really
कभी.
feel like the difference when I'm walking, for instance, when I'm walking around with Oscar. I think it's partly the fact that when you're with two, at least you can kind of share the stairs. I only can share the attention. Whereas when you're alone, you get all of that yourself.
place is so interesting. It's a fascinating place, and the people are really polite. I really do feel like they deserve the tourism, and the fact that I can handle the stairs should reflect on this place. It's enough for now. So yeah, I'm heading back to the hotel. Great, thank you so much.
I want to make clear that I do get the interest of people, as they probably don't see a lot of foreigners roaming around, especially not while filming themselves. I also recognize that it's kind of my own fault for not wearing my hijab, since this is a more conservative place, and I know I could have prevented some stares with that. I would encourage every traveler, regardless of gender, to come to Peshawar, as it's a fascinating place with the friendliest people. However, next time, I would probably book a guide or someone to show me around the city instead of venturing out myself. For that
still
extra
it was
sense of
fine.
It was
comfort
fine.
and
Oh,
also
actually,
just to get to see and know
friendly
more
हो
about
जाते
the
ना तो
city.
हो जाता है।
While not all the missions may have worked out, it didn't overshadow the amazing time I had in Peshawar. Because it's not always about the success, right? It's the unexpected adventures that make the journey memorable. And Peshawar delivered.
ये मेरे को बहुत मस्त
Peshawar,
लगा
thank you for having me. It was a pleasure, and I can't wait to come back.
You also subscribe our channel. You can also. It was
पर
good
अच्छा
यार.
मेरे को अच्छा
अच्छा
एक्सपीरियंस
लगा
लेकिन हाँ
मेरे
कभी-कभी
को.
ऐसा भी पूरे बाजार में तुम घूम रहे हो पूरा बाजार तुमको दिख रहा है ना
फिर
तो
थोड़ा
ऐसा हो जाएगा वो
हाँ.
थोड़ा हो जाएगा बट इट्स फाइन वो होता है हर जगह पे है कॉमन है बट इट वाज वेरी नाइस है
It was
वो
actually
काफी
very
फ्रेंडली
good.
लोग लगे अच्छे लोग लगे हाँ सिम कार्ड लेना इज अ चैलेंज है
नहीं ऐसे तो बहुत
इंडिया में तो
सारे
ऐसी बाहर निकलो फट से निकल
वेजिटेरियन होटल
हाँ,
में
vegetarian hotel।
अगर मैं गई तो मेरे को तो पूरा दिन ढूंढना ही पड़ेगा भाई
खाली
किधर है
रोटी खा
रोटी. बट मेरे
Bread।
को उधर की रोटी बहुत अच्छी लगी. वो
ये
अंकल जी
मोटी
खा
होती
रहे
है
थे ना.
थोड़ा।
इट वाज गुड. अच्छा लगा मेरे को.
और मेरे को वीडियो काफी अच्छा लगा है और
हाँ,
उसने
good।
एज वो तो चल अपने पार्टनर के साथ गई थी पर एज फिर उस बाद में सोलो भी निकली इसने
सोलो
एक्सपीरियंस
निकली
करने
तो
के लिए
फिर
लेकिन मेरे को वो वाला बंदा अच्छा लगा छोड़ के क्या वो
छोड़ के
होटल में
गया, वो
पूरा
से-
उसने सिम कार्ड पूरा दिया खिलाया भी
पेस्ट्री
पे
खिलाया.
भी किया उसने मेट्रो के लिए फिर छोड़ के तक गया वो मेरे को
और
काफी अच्छा लगा
काफी अच्छा लगा.
दैट वाज
क्योंकि
वेरी
very
नाइस
nice,
वेरी
very
नाइस
nice, liked it.
वो चीज से इम्प्रेस मैं कूल
ठीक है।
गाइस ऐसी और वीडियो सजेस्ट करते रहिए
तो बस आप अपना ख्याल रखिए. टेक केयर.
बाय बाय